In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube with copy and paste videos, even if your videos get demonetized. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that upcoming videos. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So what kind of videos we're going to search for? We're going to search for example, cat compilation videos. So right here you can see there are tons of videos that are getting a lot of views. Some of the most viewed videos are a little bit older, and that is normal. You can't really expect to make 100 million views in like 1 month or something like that. You need a lot of time, and I want to show you guys how you can get monetized these videos even if you don't have AdSense. So right here you can see this video in 9 months, 14 million views. There are a lot of videos that are getting over 100 million views, so even in one video. So the best key of making these videos are thumbnails. So you want to create some eye-catching thumbnails. Right here you can see this video has 43 million views, and right here the most viewed one has 216 million views. So I want to explain you guys how you can go and create these type of videos. Even if your videos get demonetized, there is a lot of other ways that you can make money with these videos. So I see a lot of these videos are demonetized, but they're not using it to make some money because as you can see, usually people do not own the videos that are played in this kind of compilations. So I want to show you guys how you can do it the right way. So right here you can see this video has 100 million views. So I want to show you guys how you can go and monetize these videos. So first of all, how you can find some funny cat compilation, how you can create some funny cat compilation. You can go and search, for example, funny cat or dog, it doesn't really matter, and you want to go on filter and you want to go and click on Creative Commons. So as I said guys, some of the videos are going to get demonetized. You don't need to worry about if your video gets demonetized, but right here you can see this Creative Commons videos has 2.2 million views. So that means that you can go and reuse this video in your video. So as I said, don't worry if your video gets demonetized, if the music is playing or something like that. You are not going to worry about AdSense money. So I want to show you guys how you can go and, for example, download this compilation because it is in Creative Commons. So you can do, well, you can go and reuse this content. So you can go and copy the link of this YouTube video. You want to go on any YouTube downloader and you want to paste your link right here. So you can see you want to go with the highest quality that is available and just click on download. So you're going to download this video. So now how you can go and monetize these videos, because as I said guys, these videos are getting crazy amounts of views. So when you see a video gets 100 million views, that means that a lot of people are searching for this content, and you don't need to worry about competition, because when you see this many views, that means that there is space enough for everyone to make some funny cat videos or funny dog videos or funny maybe some pet videos. It doesn't really matter. So let's say how you can go and monetize these videos guys. So for this method we're going to use Teespring. So right here what you can do is you can create merch for YouTube channel. So you can go and use merch for example Instagram or YouTube, and I want to show you guys how you can go and you don't need to worry about paying for anything. You're not going to pay for anything. What Teespring does is I want to explain you guys. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to create the product. So right here you can see create the product. After that you want to send people to your website. So how are you going to send people to your website that you're going to create? You're going to use funny cat videos, and what are we going to do with that is when we send people to our website, they're going to buy the product if they are interested in, and when they order the product in just let's say 15 days, they're going to create this product for you and they're going to ship it and you collect the profits. So that is how this works. So you don't need to worry about paying for anything or losing money. This is free method, so you don't need to worry about anything. So you can go and click on get started, create your Teespring account. And what we want to do now is when you log in, you're going to see there are tons of different options that you can create merch for your store. So you can go and create different products. You can go and create shirts, you can go and create socks, you can basically create pillows, anything you can imagine. So you can go and choose some of the most popular. For example, for this method I would go with, for example, pillow. I would go with some of the t-shirts, but usually most of the time people are going to buy in this niche pillows or something like that, or for example even socks. So for example, this in this niche, socks are very popular. So how you can go and create pillow with any design that you want. So you can go and click on right here, start designing, and you can choose if you want to black or white pillow, so whatever you want to. But for example, what are we going to do now is right here, the size of the pillow. So you can see 16 times 60 pillow is the cost of the pillow is around $14. So you can right here put what price you want to say for this pillow. So if, for example, you can say $39.99. And right here, if you sell this pillow, your profit per sale is going to be $25. But you don't want to go with that high. You can put, for example, $29 for this pillow. And for each sold pillow, you're going to earn $15.73. So you can go and do the bigger pillows. You can go and do some different stuff. But I want to show you guys how you can go and add your own design. So for example, you have some funny image, cat image, but the most important thing about this method is you can't go and use copyrighted image on your pillow. That is going to be something very bad, so you don't want to do it. You want to find your original picture of the funny, for example, cat, or you can go and add text on your pillow. You can say, I don't even know, funny cat. It doesn't really matter. So you don't want to go with some basic, you want to go with something that you would buy. So if you love cats, what you would buy on these pillows. So usually I would go with some of the crazy cat image if you can find that. And you want to go and create your pillows. You want to put the price. When you click on continue, you have already set your store. So when someone orders this pillow, you're going to this website Teespring is going to ship the item to your customer, and they're going to pay it to Teespring. They're going to keep the costs for creating this pillow, and they're going to send profits directly to your PayPal account, and that is how easily this can be done. So there are maybe some other payment options. I haven't checked that. I know about PayPal, but you can go and check out some different options if you don't want if you want to get paid with some different options. It doesn't really matter, guys. So this is really unique way to monetize your YouTube channel. You know that top YouTubers are monetized with their merch, so you can go and create your own merch on Teespring and get a lot of money. So this is one of the greatest ways how you can go and monetize these type of videos, because sometimes, as I said, your videos are going to get demonetized, maybe for music in the videos. For example, if you go and play like this, usually you're not going to get demonetized, but if you go and use some copyrighted music or something like that, then your videos can get demonetized. So some of the videos are going to be monetized, so you can make some money with AdSense, but the main focus would be on Teespring, because you can go and create your own merch, send people to your own product, sell your own product, and make money. So guys, that would be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.